Now, you've probably heard by now that we've just released our first ever LEP flashlights, the brand new Odin Turbo. Now, again, this is our first ever LEP flashlight in our Odin lineup that we have. If you recall, we not too long ago released the Odin and the Odin Mini. You know, this was a series of WMLs, and we've added to that now with the Odin Turbo. We have two different colors, the black option, also the desert tan. Now, the Odin Mini has a beam distance of roughly 240 meters, while the Odin throws at a maximum of 300 meters. But now with the new LEP technology, this all new Odin Turbo incorporates an astounding 1,050 meter beam distance with nearly zero spill. I mean, it is very impressive. That's almost 3/4 of a mile of reach. So very impressive for a WML in this size of a package. Now, aside from the impressive beam distance here on the brand new Odin Turbo, what I really love is the ease of use with this. So once this is on your system, whatever it is that you're using, it's very simple to take the light on and off. It's very simple to recharge it and to swap it out. So if you wanted to put the Turbo on, the M-lock mount, it would work, and vice versa. And so it's very simple to get off. But that's one of the things that I really enjoy about this particular system. It saves you time when you're at the range, and it also provides you with a maximum level of security once this is locked into place. And so now I want to show you how to attach the entire system and how easy it is to use this. Now, you'll start by attaching the 1913 Picatinny rail mount that comes included with the Odin Turbo. Once you find your spot on the rail where you want to put it, basically you'll have the option. You'll see here it can only go on one way. Now, you could flip it this way or flip it this way, but there's no way to attach it except for this one spot. So once you find out where you want it on your pick rail, you're going to line that into place, and you've got two screws here, and you'll use the wrench that is included and comes in the box to fix these two screws into place. Now comes the easy part. You're going to take your Odin Turbo and you're going to slide it into this rail mount here that you'll see. It lines up, and you'll slide that into the rail mount until you hear that click. Now you're just going to turn that locking button 90 degrees clockwise to lock it in securely in place. And next, you're going to want to attach the remote switch. Here you can do that, the pressure pad, find any place on your 1913 pick rail, and just work it around a little bit until you figure out exactly where you want to put it on. Sometimes it may take a try or two to figure out where it's going to go onto the rails, but once you get it on, it'll just pop into place. Then you're going to attach your magnetic remote switch here on the back that also has the locking ring, which is just press it forward. You'll hear that little click, and now it's fitted securely in place and it's not going anywhere. It's that simple and easy of a design. Now, to remove the Odin Turbo, it's very simple. All you've got to do is rotate the locking button 90 degrees counterclockwise to unlock. You're going to press that same button, and it will allow you to slide the Odin Turbo off. Make sure you disconnect your magnetic tail switch as well. Now, I want to roll in some behind the scenes footage of the beam that I recently took here to compare the Odin and the Odin Turbo. Now, the Odin obviously has a lot more flood to the beam, but if you look, you'll see just how much further the new LEP technology reaches when using the Odin Turbo. This is excellent for long range distances where you need to positively identify an object from afar. Thank you for checking out the all new Odin Turbo. Remember to check us out on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and to subscribe to our channels for more information on this amazing new technology from Olight.